How to fix ChatGPT internal server error. If you want to fix this problem, you should go and open the settings of your device. Here you will see this list. Go click at apps option. Here at apps option, search for ChatGPT and click. You're gonna find this list. Go click storage, click clear cache only, and back. Click add for stop and click OK. And right now you just have to go to Play Store. Open your Play Store. Search for ChatGPT. If you find update, you have to update it. If you didn't find the update, uninstall it and install it again, and then restart your phone and your problem will be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you in a next video.